Building Industrial Division Projects. Renovation Restoration Project of the Year. Intermountain Health Central Laboratory Expansion and Renovation. Jacobsen Construction Company. This was no ordinary lab project. The renovation and expansion of the Intermountain Health Center Central Laboratory increased the facility's capacity as the critical testing hub for 34 hospitals and 385 clinics. Prior to this project, the lab could reliably and rapidly conduct about 15 million diagnostic tests per year. It can now do several million more, and even more quickly. The overall scope of work consisted of a lab addition, relocation of services, remodeling existing space, and site development. In addition to creating more room for diagnostic testing, added spaces also include new histocompatibility and immunogenetics research and testing areas, a patient draw station, fertility specimen collection area, infectious disease research lab, point-of-care lab, quality assurance lab, research and development lab, and more. The three-story facility more than doubled in size as a result of this project, growing from 46,000 to 96,000 square feet. Renovation Restoration Project of the Year. Intermountain Health Central Laboratory Expansion and Renovation. Jacobsen Construction Company.